Hello children, listen, learn and speak. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H for hen, hen. I for ice cream. Z is for joker, joker. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, M. N is for nest, nest. O is for owl, owl. P is for parrot, parrot. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rat. S for snake, snake. T for tiger, tiger. U for umbrella, umbrella. V for van, van. W for well. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak, yak. Z for zebra, zebra. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.